Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant Connection Error Code VAN 1067 on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to close the launcher, and then from here you're going to search for CMD, and then right click on it, and then run as administrator. And then from here you're going to copy these two commands that I'm going to leave in the description. First of all, the ipconfig, and then /flush DNS. And then from here, going to copy netch, winsock reset, and then run it. Now, once you run those, you're going to close this. Now you're going to check for your latest update on your Windows. So just search for update. And then from here, check for updates. If you have a new version, then preferably install it because that will help fix all the bugs and the crashes that usually happen on outdated software. Now we're going to close this and we're going to search for services. And then from here, you have this list and you're going to search for VGC. So click on V. And as you can see, VGC right here. Go to properties, switch it to automatic, and then click on start and then apply and then OK. And that will take a bit of time, but once it finishes, restart the computer and hopefully that solved your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.